Hello everyone and welcome back to our Yokogawa CENTUM VP lesson series, and in today's lesson we will continue our topic on the logic chart and Cebu signal in Yokogawa CENTUM VP, and let's quickly review what were we done in the previous lesson. Open our project, our FCS and the function block number 6, and open our CENTUM logic, the details, no, not this one, made change in step 1 logic, as I remember, yes, this one, and here we now must add some global and local variables. And firstly, let's open our initial step, and in this step we will declare the global variables for annunciator and the key signals that will be used for communication between the logic chart and Cebu. And one notice for you, as I say in previous lesson, the global variables allow different block and program section to share information, while the key signal are used to send event and messages between the sequence blocks and the controller also. So open the step 1. Sorry. Edit step action, and here we must make some change, and here, my friends, we delete these variables, and here we delete also this one, delete it. And here we declare also the event 1, as I remember, event 1 and event 2. Let's quick review messages annunciator. Yes, event 1 and event 2. And also we must declare the key signals, so let's write it down. The small key signal, no, and it's a signal 1 and signal 2. Let's do it like this. It's a signal 1 and signal 2, and update this, sorry, close this one, and we leave the transition operation, I mean the compile operation, empty, and we go to the action 2. Actually step 2, action 1, and also edit step action. Why is open like this? Okay, we need to make some change here. No. Open again. Why? Now is okay, I forgot to replace this step, so let's close this one and add the name of this action is the action 1 and press OK button, and let's write our comment here. First, let's check the initial step again because I'm not saved our problems. Yes, let's write it again. I'm sorry for this inconvenience. The way is perhaps 1, the 2, and here we write the signal, global signals, 3 signals, sorry. Signal, signal 1, and then signal 2. Close this one and let's update. Now for step 2 and action 1, we write the logic. We write the logic for the waiting for key signal and receiving the key signals, and for it we must declare some variables like the char, the car, the 16, and we give the name for this variable sig name, and it's for receive variable, and also we for the receive signal, and also we add for the waiting our signal, wait for the Q signal signal. I'm not sure that this will work, but we will try together. And close this one. And now we must change the compare operation here, and here we write our signal variable, and it's equal to signal 1. Press OK button. It means we will go to step 3 when the sig name is take the signal 1 signals, text with the signal 1 signals. And now we change the, we add the logic for the signal 1. And here we do it like this. It's the action, and here we change the event 1.pv and make it equal to 1. Sorry, let's write with the capital event 1.pv equal to 1. While close. And to switch to step 4, we also must make some condition here. And we do our signal variable for signal 2. So let's click signal for the signal 2. Press OK button. And our last step is the event. Signal 2 steps, and here we make change in event 2.pv is equal to 1. Close this one. And my friends, now we must switch to our interrupt step. And here we must add the signal for our interrupts annunciator message. And let's open this one. Sorry. Cancel, delete this step action. Interrupt.pv is 1. I think it's enough for our logic. Let's close this one and switch to main phase and close, update this one, and then close this one and try to save our work. Variable condition 1 is not declared. Why we have a problems? Let's open. And what we have here, initial step. Let's check it together. Signal, okay. This one, okay, we have the problems here. Check another one, and let's date, close this one and save again. And here we have also the problem. It is not connected with the step or tag definition is changed. Compile again. Here we have 2 warnings and we have no errors. Invalid element in the warnings. It means that we have some problems here. Signal transmission is the step. I think it's will be correct now. Let's save the game. Okay, my friends, now we don't have any errors and warnings, and that's all for today. In the next lesson, we will simulate our logic and check our programs. And I wish you good health and good life. subscribe to our channel and give a like to our video if you enjoyed and find it useful for you, and see you in the next lesson.